Hey guys, just doing a really quick video to show how automation can help with recruitment. Here's an automation I'm working on. It's currently pulled a job description and 100 CVs for 100 candidates. It's now working on their cover letters, but the idea behind this automation is it takes the job description itself, which we have here as PDF, scans through that, then goes to each CV and cover letter for each candidate, fuses the two of them together to come up with a candidate summary for each candidate, and then pairs them up against the actual job description itself, and ranks each candidate along with their strengths and weaknesses according to who would be best suited for the role. So obviously in recruitment this would save a hell of a lot of time. This automation itself has been running so far for about 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, and we'll see in a minute it will automatically update Airtable, but it could be Google Sheets, it could be whatever you use, just to sort these candidates into a verifiable list that your recruitment team could then work through. So we'll see that working in a minute. Okay, so the CVs have all been read, cover letters have all been read so far. The automation's been running for 2 minutes maximum, and at this point it's now sorting through each candidate and summarizing each one with a ranking of how they're best suited for the role. So each candidate has a score with a summary for each candidate along with their strengths, why the AI thinks they'd be suited for the role, and any particular weaknesses. Obviously being AI, it's very consistent and it doesn't miss anything. And if you need to fact check anything that it's telling you, you obviously can. You can go into the CV and cover letter, but you shouldn't need to because it's a strong system. And from here you can work out which ones are actually best fits for the role, which ones you would want to contact. And from here, this is just a very short demo just showing you a simple candidate screening process, but these automations can do anything. They could filter out the top 10% of candidates and book them in for a meeting on something like Calendly, or send them an email requesting an interview. If you wanted to enrich this data further, you could add a node into this automation, a LinkedIn node pulling more information from this particular candidate's LinkedIn. With automations you can do whatever you want really, the sky's the limit. You're only limited really by your imagination, but that is a very quick summary showing you what automation can do and how it can scan through 100 candidates. By the time this full automation is run for these 100 candidates, you'll have a full screening process in about 3 or 4 minutes. So if this could interest you, if this might work for your team, feel free to let me know. Thank you.